Hello guys and welcome back to yet another vlog. This is the part 2 of Nallamalai Jungle Camps ride. If you haven't seen the part 1, click on the I button. You do go and watch that. Now अभी हम लोग जाएंगे, lunch करेंगे, उसके बाद we'll take some rest and then we'll go for safari. Okay, so we have checked into our rooms and we are on our way to the restaurant for some paid puja. So the rooms are really good. What do you say, Sandeep?
Awesome.
I mean, they gave us 2 rooms, washroom and a bedroom, and the washroom like is as big as a room.
And they are damn neat.
So now we're getting into the restaurant.
Yeah.
Come and fly away with me. Come and fly away with me.
So starting with the lunch, how is it, Sandeep?
Good.
Menu looks really good and looks tasty as well. How does it taste?
Taste also good and even the quality also seems very good.
Super. So we just had an awesome lunch at the jungle camps. Now we are going to the room. We'll take some rest, and the safari is at 4 o'clock. We'll go for safari.
Come and fly away with me. Come and fly away with me.
So the time is 4 now, and the safari jeeps are ready, and we are also ready to go get into the jungle safari. फिंगर्स क्रॉस्ड, टाइगर्स दिखेंगे या नहीं दिखेंगे पता नहीं, लेकिन किस्मत का पूरा भरोसा है कि हमको नहीं दिखेगा. इससे पहले वी हैव बीन टू तड़ोबा, जहाँ पे हमें नो लक, एंड दिस टाइम वी आर इन द कोर एरिया ऑफ द जंगल. सो लेट्स सी इफ वी कैन स्पॉट एनी टाइगर, इफ नॉट टाइगर सम वाइल्ड लाइफ. तो सुबह का टाइम एकदम धूप था, मतलब दोपहर तक बहुत ज़्यादा धूप था. अभी टाइम 4 बज चुके हैं एंड देयर इज़ अ लॉट ऑफ क्लाउड्स अप इन द स्काई एंड इट्स ऑल्सो गिविंग अ साइन दैट इट माइट रेन. सो लेट्स सी. अगर बारिश होता है तो a lot of animals won't be visible. They might go inside and hide. But fingers crossed कि बारिश ना हो and we can enjoy the safari.
Come and fly away with me. Come and fly away with me.
बहुत ज़ोर का हवा आ रहा है, देखो सब कुछ उड़ रहा है पीछे, पत्ते गिर रहे हैं, कॉटन का फूल हुई, सब कुछ गिर रहा है. And we are starting for the safari without any rain gears on. Let's see.
Come and fly away with me. Come and fly away with me. Don't you be afraid, everything will change. You and I, jumping off the edge. They say dreamers never die. So come and fly, come and fly, come and fly away with me.
We are on the jeep. The safari is starting right now.
Cotton rain.
Cotton rain.
It's cottoning. Snowing like.
We're rising, we're falling, we'll make it through.
आर मासूम हमारा ड्राइवर, साइदुल हमारा गाइड.
Great.
So we have started the jungle safari.
We're climbing, we're soaring.
It has started drizzle a bit. अपने किस्मत पे पूरा भरोसा था. And it started raining. Raining very. Okay, so अभी हम लोग थोड़ी देर वेट कर रहे हैं ताकि बारिश खत्म हो जाए, लेकिन बारिश को देख के लग नहीं रहा कि वो बिल्कुल भी खत्म होगा. बहुत जोर का आंधी तूफान टाइप का बारिश हो रहा है. Look at us, open top gypsy adventure. What an experience. Let me give you a glimpse of how it is in the front. So that's how bad the rain is. We also have another safari tomorrow morning. So इसका तो मतलब पूरी तरह से flop हो चुका है. Let's see how it is.
1,000 views.
And now we are going back to the cottage because ये बारिश रुकने का बिल्कुल नाम नहीं ले रहा. And we are like पूरी तरह से गीला हो चुके हैं. So we are going back to the cottage. And अगर जल्दी बारिश खत्म हो जाता है तो we'll come back again. So day 1 flop. So one thing about the food and tea here, it's awesome. Let's meet the chef. This is Venkateshwar, the chef here. He makes awesome food. Food चाय का नाम very good. Super. Thank you. Away. Come again another day, little Johnny wants to play. इसको बिल्कुल भी रुकने का नाम ही नहीं ले रहा है.
the moon and water meet somewhere close to harmony when the world is sound asleep.
Now finally the rain has stopped, but the time for the safari has gone past. No safari for today. Tomorrow we are going for the safari.
Tomorrow morning 6:30.
Tomorrow morning 6:30 after breakfast. We don't have anything more to do, so as a time pass kar and we are walking inside the forest. Not exactly the forest, but the zone nearby. Beauty of nature, different shades at the same time. Let me show you. That's one shade. That's another shade. That's another shade. Nature at its best. Like I said, nature is the best artist in the world.
Something's gonna bring the change. Journeys we are meant to take. Something at the edge of space, calling us to fly away. Don't you be afraid, everything will change. You and I, jumping off the edge. They say dreamers never die, so come and fly, come and fly, come and fly away with me.
Good morning guys and welcome to day 2. So morning 6:30. It is time for safari. हम लोग उठ चुके थे and we have got freshened up. Now we will be heading towards the safari jeep. So अभी सामने संदीप भी जा रहा है. संदीप. Safari, what do you think? How is it going to be today?
Hope we'll see some animal sightseeing because it rained heavily yesterday.
Yeah.
We can't expect them to come out,
Yeah.
but let's hope for the best.
जो भी है, let's मतलब safari का मज़ा ले लेंगे. Whether we see animals or no, we will definitely enjoy the ride.
But the forest is awesome.
Forest is too good, and the sounds, man, super. And other thing about this resort, I mean the jungle camp, they have got awesome maintenance, awesome food, awesome rooms, awesome service.
Very
5 star.
good hospitality.
I would say 5 star, 5 out of 5. And yesterday night one tree fell down and it cut all the power cables, but they made sure that we have continuous power. They were constantly going out and getting the diesel so that the generators work.
With
Good
AC.
job. Good
Generator with AC.
With AC. Good job, Nalamalai camps. So this is a must-visit place for family and bachelors alike. Again with Masim Bhai and Sadul Bhai. So they're going to take us to the jungle safari. कल रात को तो बहुत बारिश हो गया था. So let's see आज अच्छा होगा. चलो let's do it.
Every time you two are getting rough, my mind just sounds like Shia LaBeouf. It says no.
On the safari jeep and starting the ride, drive, whatever. Star Wars, Darth Vader, Mickey Mouse. Peace.
Dark Lord. Ghost Rider.
Bike on fire.
Just no. And every time I see him with you, my heart sounds like Shia LaBeouf too. No.
There's a bear.
Ababa.
This not. Stop it! That's an ancient temple right inside the forest. We actually got down in the forest, in the middle of the forest, and just exploring the places here. It is safe. We have the forest guards with us. So just look around.
Mind just sounds like Shia LaBeouf. It says no, 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 no. Just no, 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 no.
And these are the steps that goes to Sri Salam. Just look how clear the water is. So water is so crystal clear. I can see fishes. So you can see until the bottom.
Every time I see him with you, my heart sounds like Shia LaBeouf too. No, 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 no. No, no. No, 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 no.
Just listen carefully. So the sound that you just heard, which resembles a car honk, that's a sound made by a sambar deer.
టీ పుల్లగా ఉంది.
So we again got done from the gypsy and trekking towards a place. So Sadul says there's a very good location that we can watch from here. So going to witness that. We just got up to the hill. Let me give a glimpse of the location. We're helping them clear the path. Guys, that's all for today's vlog. We just came back from the safari and we had our breakfast. We were getting ready to head back to Hyderabad. So how was the safari?
Excellent.
Very good.
Very good.
So we saw some bears, spotted deer and peacocks. We could not see any other sambar deer or
No tiger, no lion.
definitely. Yeah. अपने
Better
किस्मत
luck
में नहीं
next
है वो.
time.
Better luck next time. Just before finishing this vlog, would like to say that if you are planning to come to Bairloti, do come here. It's an awesome place for families and for adventure junkies altogether. The maintenance is very good. The food is very good. The staffs are very friendly. So a must visit place near Hyderabad. Just 300 kilometers away from Hyderabad. So guys, that's it. Signing off, Motor Crazy. See you next week with another video. Until then, keep smiling. Bye bye.
And subscribe to Motor Crazy.
Subscribe.
My heart,